We are the students of Sri Ishwar College of Engineering, belongs to ECE department. I am Gayatri, she is Brinda R, Jagatishwaran S. We are happy to share about our project Public Vehicle Access for Visually Impaired using NFC application. Mostly this demonstration project is the concept of bus detection using NFC application, but the existing systems notes hereafter are using RFID only. The main drawback in the RFID is that in that the scanning is very consistent to the sensitivity of the project. So we are using NFC application. It is mostly used wide sensitivity and inconsistent of the project. It is very compact to the NFC application. The mounting distance of the NFC transponder is placed in the bus stop. It is mostly used to the blind people to analyze what is the instruction is. And the remaining project will be explained by my friend Brinda.
Project we have demonstrated the concept of blind people using NFC. NFC is nothing but a near-field communication. Using NFC that has been implemented with the MSP 430 module and MSP 430 transmitter, and this is MSP 430 receiver. MSP 430 transmitter will transmit the data from the reader that is placed in bus, and it will transmit the data to the receiver. MSP 430 will receive the data that is given to the blind who is stand by in the bus stop, and the remaining block will be explained by my friend.
In this demonstration, we have used 12 volts power supply and an audio input, NFC Bluetooth headset. This receives the input from the audio input, which will be the audio signal. This signal is transmitted using the latest technology of NFC, which will be similar to the Bluetooth technology. It transmits the signal with wireless manner. The driver is used to accept the transmitting and receiving part in the set of the bus, which is used to NFC transmitter. The audio amplifier is used to amplify the audio signal from the transmitter side, and speaker is used to deliver the output.
Whenever the bus comes at the bus stop, the blind people having the reader tag, which is provided with the NFC reader, get the signal at this reader tag. This bus will come, and the current dominant microcontroller is connected to the embedded board, and a program is running which will analyze the data from the bus, and the NFC transponder tags are placed on the bus stops that transmit the information about the route number, which will be provided in the tag.
However, the system does not give the user an active choice to the server between the buses. The buses will be present to the bus stop, and the problem of boarding will be not resolving. The major problem is that multiple buses are coming. The blind people are not able to attend what is the bus number is. To having the problem of boarding, we are embedded systems. The bus will be remaining. The transmitting process will be only resolved. Another process are unresolved. Currently available electronic navigation aids are not received any great level of support to blind people. The vast majority of visually impaired people prefer to the not of using of electronic aids and use of one-cams or guide dogs. It is proposed that underlying reasons for this include of relatively high cost and relatively poor level of user satisfaction. For only we are designing this project Public Vehicle Access for Visually Impaired using NFC application. We are thankful to our HOD Mr. S. Muthukrishnan, our mentor T. Bhubalan and K. Murugave, and our video demonstration has been done by our friend Jaya Prakash. Thank you.